Good morning, everyone. Myself Farhan Alam, and I'm currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Software Engineering at Daffodil International University. I'm passionate about technology and enjoying areas such as software development, programming, networking, and problem solving. Throughout my academic journey, I have developed skills in Java programming, object-oriented programming, and database concepts and computer networks. These experiences have helped me strengthen my technical and analytical abilities. Academically, I have always been dedicated to achieving my excellence. I obtained a GPA of both my HSC and SSC in my school life and college life. Apart from academics, I actively participate in academic projects like technology-related assignments and group presentations. These activities have helped me improve my communication, teamwork, leadership, problem solving, and time management skills. I enjoy working collaboratively and learning different perspectives. And during my school life, I developed a strong interest in mathematics, science, and technology. These subjects inspired me to pursue a career in software engineering. My college life further strengthened my academic foundation and prepared me for higher technology. These subjects inspired me to strengthen my academic foundation and prepared me for a higher education by improving my confidence, communication skill, and practical knowledge. Outside of academics, I enjoy learning about emerging technologies, machine learning skills, software development, and networking. I continuously work on improving my technical skills through personal projects, online courses, and self-learning. And I have worked on many online projects also. My career goal is to become a successful software engineer and contribute to initiative technological solutions and make a positive impact through technology while continuously growing as a professional. Thank you all for your attention.